We're good with it. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to turn this into this. Let go. I hinted towards this in another video, how I would get more in detail with how you can make more money or make money period customizing sneakers, shoes, boots, whatever you want to customize, really your whatever art form or even if you just design clothes, pretty much anything as an entrepreneur, this is gonna help you. So step one, I'm gonna be looking at my phone, so don't do that. I hinted towards it when I was talking about the goals. Set goals where you can be in control of the goal. If you set a goal to make a certain amount of money, you can't control a certain amount of money. You can't control other people want to spend their money with you. But you can control the certain amount of people that you can touch. You have a goal that you want to make more money. Alright, cool. Well, you need to have a goal that you can control within making that money. Set a goal for, okay, this week I'm going to paint 20 pair of shoes. That's not realistic, but still, I'm going to paint 20 pairs of shoes. Painting those 20 pairs of shoes or setting that goal for 20 pairs of shoes, that is creating pictures that you can take for Instagram. That's creating shoes that you can post to sell. That's creating more portfolio. That's creating more opportunity for you to get better every single day. And within you getting better every single day, more people will be more inclined when they see your work and they see, okay, this person is really good. They're going to want to shop with you. Another thing you can do is wear your stuff. Don't just wear it. Have a certain amount of wears or a certain amount of places you will go in a week with your stuff on. Just say you customize shoes and clothes, something like how I do. Alright. Just say I have a goal for, I'm going to go out 4 different malls this week. And I'm going to wear my shoes and my clothes. And that's it. That's one separate goal that you can have in a week. I'm going to wear my stuff to 4 different malls. Or you can say, I only have 1 day of freedom this week. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out. I'm going to go to 17 different stores with my stuff on. Whether it be Kroger, Walmart, Finish Line, Foot Locker, Ross, Marshalls, wherever. Have a certain amount of stores or places that you want to go with your stuff on. Within the places that you choose, make sure you targeting places that more people are more inclined to, you know, kind of ask about what you got on or what you have going on. Because I mean, like I did say Kroger and stuff like that, but you know, I mean, you can go to those places, but those shouldn't be your target places. Your target places should be like retail stores. You know what I'm saying? Like the mall. Okay, Marshalls. You know people are shopping there. Go to places where people are shopping and wanting to spend money. Because those people that are wanting to spend money, they already had their eyes open for the next thing that they're going to buy. So if they look down and see your shoes or see whatever you have on, they'll be like, dang, that's not in this store. Let me ask them about that. There you go. Another thing you can do is set goals for equipment or things that's going to help you within your business. Set a goal to where, okay, alright, at this point, I want to be able to buy this or whatever for my business. Just like with me, with sneakers. I wanted to reach a point, I set a goal for like a few months, and I'll be working with an airbrush. It actually took longer than that, but that's because of a whole lot of other stuff. But still, have a goal to where, like another goal I had was, alright, I want to buy a vinyl cutting machine. That's what I'm working towards. Have things that you can work towards. Not mini goals, but you know what I'm saying? Just goals that aren't as big as your top goal. That way you can always be on your game and never get discouraged because of this goal may seem so far-fetched to you. If you have a goal, just say, you customize shoes. Okay, I'm gonna have a vinyl cutting machine in 3 months. And after that, I want to buy my first air compressor. Certain kind of airbrush after a certain time. I want to be able to buy this shoe after a certain time and just paint it for me to be able to wear. It's super, super important for any entrepreneur, any artist, or anything. If you're doing something for yourself, have business cards. Please have business cards. No matter what you are doing, if you're any kind of entrepreneur, you should have business cards, and the business cards should clearly state what you're doing on there. They should be able to look at the card without reading and be able to get the gist of what you're doing. Like with me, I'll show y'all mine. On your business cards, along with it, clearly like a picture or whatever you want to call it, an image showing kind of what you do. Have all of your information, however many platforms or whatever you can get contacted on, you need to have those on, whether it be Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, your email, your mama email, your dad email, wherever. You need to have all of your contact information on there, because a lot of people don't have the same I guess outlets to contact people. Like some people I deal with don't have Instagram, some of them don't have Facebook, some of them may not even have a phone number or anything like that, so they'll contact you through certain emails and all that kind of stuff. But you need to have all of your information on there so you can get contacted and you can get to this chicken. When you get your business cards, what you need to do in order to get to this chicken, to have a goal. I'm gonna hand out 150 business cards this week. It may be a little difficult. You may only have 200 business cards. Cool. What are your business cards doing in your wallet or in your room? Literally nothing. You have those business cards to pass out to people. Not gonna make no money if you ain't getting them business cards out. If they just sitting in your room, they doing nothing for you. Get them business cards out. The more business cards you have to buy, the better. When you handing out your business cards, it's great to spread them around everywhere and anywhere. But if you have a goal of getting a certain amount of business cards out in a certain setting, you need to go back to what I said. Go to these retail shops. Wherever people are spending money at, malls, stores, strip malls, all that kind of stuff. TJ Maxx, wherever they spending money at, Burlington, that's where you need to hang your cards out. Those people are obviously in the market for new things. Another thing that you can do with those same business cards, you may not even have to set up. I do a lot of, not a lot, but I was doing a lot of events, like sneaker events, clothing events, flea markets, all this kind of stuff, small business little events and stuff like that. What you need to do, if you're not ready to just set up there, just go there. Go there and pass out as many cards as possible. Businesses support businesses. A lot of smaller businesses like to support other smaller businesses. So what you need to do is link up with these people, link up with them, and y'all could possibly help each other out. Just say, like with me right now, I know a few people with stores and stuff like that. So I could reach out to them and be like, hey, let's do some business. So if you meeting these people, networking is the key to being successful. You have to network and get out here in these streets, man. People have to know you. They got to know your face. They got to know your brand. And they have to know what you represent. All that being said, man, get out there in these streets and go make this chicken. Last thing I'm going to give y'all for today, because there's a lot more that you can do. And I'll be doing more videos like this. Do is set a goal to talk to a certain amount of people a day. I know a lot of times, even like with me, I get quite a few DMs and stuff like that. So it's hard for me to just talk to every single person, because I mean, I get DMs from, of course, business and everything. Then I get DMs from y'all on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ask questions or just want to talk to me, you know what I'm saying? And I'm always up to talk to y'all, but sometimes I can't get to them, you know what I'm saying? Because I work so much and I just be sitting here, and then a lot of times my notifications don't even come through on Instagram. I'm rambling, but still, talk to a certain amount of people a day, whether it be on social media, in person, whatever. If you get DMs, answer those DMs as quickly as possible, because a lot of times people's attention span is short. So they may be thinking, oh shoot, I like these shoes, let me DM this person. But if you DM them maybe a day later or even a few hours later, you could be the Mr. Sale. That person may like, it's all good. I don't want to do it no more anyway. You got to respond to your DMs, your emails. Be prompt with it. Talk to as many people as you can a day. If you go up to, like with me, I go up to the post office or something like that. And, well, this is before I start doing like the pre-shipping labels and all that kind of stuff. And I would be, I would have a lot of packages that be like, what you do or whatever. Or even if they don't ask, you know what I'm saying? I see the look on their face and I'll be like, yeah, I customize shoes. That's why I have so many packages or whatever that I'm shipping out. And I'm like, oh, okay. Boom. There go that card. Slap it in their face and get to that chicken. Hopefully that helped you tremendously. I believe it will. If you really dissect what I'm saying, I know it will help you because I know it helped me. So if that helped y'all, please let me know in the comments, you feel me? If it's anything else that y'all want to know, let me know in the comments. I'm down for it. I got y'all. I'm here for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? Ain't around. I'ma catch you. Get to the chicken, you hear me?